Now let's move for the last parameter of this, that is the plant use factor. So plant use factor is nothing but it is again a ratio of power plant output in kilowatt hour. So the power plant output means energy generated by a power plant. It will be in terms of kilowatt hour units. Okay. So power plant output in kilowatt hour to plant capacity into hours of use. It is something similar. It's something similar to the plant factor, plant capacity factor, but slight difference. I'll tell you what is the difference here. So here we are considering the what is the total power generated in a power plant, from a power plant, okay, divided by plant capacity and usage of hours. How many hours you are using that power plant, that is important here. Okay, whereas in the previous case what it was, it was a power plant generation, means maximum power plant generation over there, and actual generation divided by plant capacity into 8760. That's what I have taken for annual power capacity factor. Whereas now for plant use factor, I am not considering the 8760 here. I am just writing as hours of use. Means we need to be very practical here. In a complete 1 year, in 1 year, how many hours you are operating the power plant? Because there may be a problem due to a shutdown, there may be a problem due to some maintenance problem, there may be problem because of there is no fuel, availability of fuel, there is no chance of producing the energy, and now right now we have a lockdown, so there may be so many problems over there, because of which there may be no chance of generation of energy, right? So technically and non-technically there will be few problems, because of which the power plant will be under shutdown. It may not be generating the energy for all 24 into 365 days, 24 hours into 365 days. Because of that there is a reduction of energy, right? So that is nothing but how better you have utilized the power plant. That is what plant use factor. Are you using the power plant for 100%? Means are you turning it off for 24 hours into 365 days? If that is the case, then yes, you are using it for 100%. But here what happens, I'll take one example here. Say there is a power plant which can generate maximum of 20 megawatt, which can generate maximum of 20 megawatt. So the maximum demand of power plant is 20 megawatt in an year. Let us consider it is for 1 year, okay, and it produces only 7.35 into 10 to power 6. It produces only 7.35 into 10 to power 6 kilowatt hour. The production is less because of some problems, strike, shutdown, not availability of a fuel, non-availability of fuel, so many reasons will be there. So it is producing only 7.35 into 10 power 6 kilowatt hour. That is nothing but the power plant output, that is actual output developed. But the maximum capacity of it is, plant capacity is 20 megawatt, and it has been utilized, the power plant has been utilized only for say 2190 hours, 2190 hours. Now I can find out what is the use factor, plant use factor. So here plant use factor is nothing but what is the power plant output. Output is 7.35 into 10 power 6 divided by what is the capacity it is having, 20 megawatt. It is 20 megawatt. So you should take it in terms of 20 into 10 to the power of 20 into 10 to the power of 3, that is mega, because this is in terms of kilowatt hour, this is in terms of megawatt, so I'll take this as in terms of kilo, okay, into time, 2190 hours. So if you simplify this, we get an answer as 0.167. If you multiply it by 100, we get it in terms of percentage. So the percentage of utilization is 16.7. So we are making use of the power plant, only 16.7% of it has been used in a year. So that is called plant use factor. Now I hope you got a difference between the plant use factor and plant capacity factor. Plant capacity factor is nothing but how much energy has been generated divided by how much energy it could have been generated. So there is only difference between the reserve factor, right? Whereas here, how much energy it has been generated divided by how much energy for how many time, how many hours it has been utilized, power plant. So what is the usage value of the power plant? That is power plant use factor. I think it is clear now.